All right, George, so what do we have here?
We're working on a 2002 Saab 9.3 SE Turbo. What I can see is, as you can see it yourself, this person, whoever he or she was using synthetic oil and changing the oil every 10,000 miles.
But I thought synthetic was supposed to be better than conventional oil.
Yeah, it is better, but you're not supposed to go over 5. Most manufacturers, they say 10,000 or even 12, but as you can see, all the gunk around here and way down there, you see.
Wow.
So this is the screen where it picks up the oil from the oil pan. So what it is all this dirt and gunk gets underneath while the pump is functioning. The screen gets clogged up. The oil doesn't go to the head or camshaft. As you can see, this is the head, and
how many miles did this vehicle have on it?
80,000.
Wow.
So this is one of the camshaft. So the oil, when it's picked up from here, it shoots through the block, through the head, to the cam. So as you could see, because of lack of oil, you see this car's supposed to be very smooth. So this is due to using synthetic oil and not changing it like every 5. Well, I advise people, if they want to use synthetic oil, they can use synthetic oil, but change the oil every 5,000 miles or less.
Or this is what could happen to your...
Exactly. And this thing, let's say if you were to take this vehicle to a dealership, they'll probably charge you about $6 grand to do this.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, George, thanks for the tip. Really appreciate it.
Anytime.